In regards to what we saw yesterday at the landfill, that some heavy operators took a stance yesterday in regards to their payment, and the ministry has quickly resolved that situation. There was also a meeting yesterday between the ministry and the heavy operators where we have mutual agreement that operations will continue. In the meantime, they have all been paid for the 2 past months. The situation is that the tender process took a lot longer than we would have liked, and was an unsuccessful tender and had to come back from the governor to be adjusted. In the meantime, we are working on a new tender for deviation that will allow the current landfill operators to continue until the new tender has gone out. This situation also is unfortunate, and it's a situation that we are, as a government, but also in the Ministry of Rummy, in my acting capacity, we are going to work on not having these situations happen anymore. In regards to the tender process in general, we are looking at improving capacity through training, right? Having advices done properly requires training. In addition to that, with the support of the Ministry of Finance, we are looking at all contracts within government so that tenders start in a timely manner, not having tenders start 2 months before the time or 3 months before the time. So we're looking at the capacity within the ministries in regards to tenders, and we're looking at starting on time and also trainings. In addition to that, as I mentioned before, in the meantime, they have been paid and works continue.